Let's take a look at the handle here, guys. Oh, it's very nice. Beautiful metallic feel to that with some rubber grips. So it has that look and feel of metal, but it's not slippy. All right, guys, so I'm traveling again, and I find myself in the need of a shave. Gonna be meeting people tomorrow, and I'm rocking about a week's worth of growth, and looked in my travel bag, and I did not have a razor. No shaving cream, no aftershave. What's an average guy to do? So I went to one of my favorite places lately, Walmart. I got this fancy sweatshirt, nice and soft, for under $13. Nice bluish gray, my favorite. But I also got some shaving products, some shaving gear to use for this shave today. And this is cool. I've been eyeing this, guys. This is Harry's. This is their craft handle, and it comes in this really nice, I'm gonna say reusable travel case. It's really nice, but if you look at the craft handle, it's got like a black finish. It's got these little rubberized little nubs here, so it's not slippy. It also has, what does it have? It has 5 German blades, lubricating strip, dotted rubber grip, premium metallic handle, feels good in the hand, precision trimmer on the back, and the flex hinge. We know Harry's is a nice shave, and this looks like a really cool travel little set. So I'll unbox that and use that. I also picked up Edge Cooling, Eucalyptus and Tea Tree. Edge makes some really nice products, and this looked like a good one, and it says new. Guys, you know I'm a sucker for marketing. The accompanying cooling post-shave lotion. So we have the shaving cream and the post-shave. Hey, I'm ready, I'm rocking. I also picked up, guys, I've been doing aluminum-free deodorants for a while, and I picked up a new one, Deep Sea by Old Spice. They make a really great formula. It's great to do no aluminum with your deodorant, guys. I also picked up their wilderness scent. I love this stuff. And while I'm traveling, I always like to pick up soap, hand pressed soap, Dr. Squatch, and it's Fresh Falls. Now I'm a Mr. 1920 guy, but when I'm on the road, I always try to pick something up because I don't like hotel soap. Look, this is hotel soap. See that? And this is cold pressed soap. It smells so good. Fresh Falls. It's not plastic or terrible chemicals, made by hand right here in the States, guys. But right now I'm gonna do a shave for you. And what am I waiting for? Let's get right to it. Now I'm gonna unbox this Harry's before I get going. Let's see if we can unbox and give you guys a look at this really cool, oh yeah. Look at this, guys. It's a gift. It is a gift. I don't know if this is gonna be a suitable travel canister. I guess you could. So, I mean, it could go in your little bag. But let's take a look at the handle here, guys. Oh, it's very nice. Beautiful metallic feel to that with some rubber grips. So it has that look and feel of metal, but it's not slippy. It's got this beautiful, what I call an organic pivot. These little rubber straps here. So it really doesn't go to a point. It actually like works with the contours of your face and your neck. Very, very nice. Precision trimmer on the back. You've got rubber guide here. You've got loop strip, 5 blades. You know the drill. All right. And this kit comes with an extra blade. Ooh. Kit comes with an extra blade. Maybe. All right, let's go. Ah, shit. Okay, this kit comes with an extra blade, guys, and cover. So we'll put that there. All right, now I'm gonna steam up with some near hot water and we'll get right into the shave. Take off my fine sweatshirt from Walmart and we'll get right into the shave. Again, I'm gonna steam up with near hot water. Take the glasses off. Oh. Steam up. Oh, that feels so good, guys. It's just like a great routine. The shave is a great routine. It's just ritual. Nice ritual to it. Guys, I'm opening up the pores, getting my face ready to receive the blade. And this is always when I look at my beard coming in and I'm like, maybe I should grow the beard again. One day when I stop doing shaving reviews, maybe I'll give the beard a go, because I do really like it. All right, let's get right into the shave, guys. The Edge Cooling Eucalyptus and Tea Tree. Love the color scheme on this, guys. Nice, cool color scheme. Oh, look at that. Pops out. Let's go right on the face. Oh, yeah, it smells good. Smells good. Feels good. It's got a menthol kind of smell to it. So it's got a nice tingle to it. Oh yeah. I'd like to get a brush. I didn't bring a brush either. I'd like to get a brush and lather this up with a brush. You can add a little bit more water if you'd like. Oh yeah, nice guys. Now I know you've seen this Harry's craft handle. Because chances are, if you're watching this video, you're just like me. You go into the pharmacy, you go into a Rite Aid, you go into Walmart, and you're looking in the shaving aisle. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, nice. Love the Harry's shave. Just a great experience, guys. Love it. Hear that feedback? All right. Going with the grain. And it's just handling that week's worth of growth. Harry's blades are very, very sharp. For a cartridge razor, it's probably the closest to your DE experience in a cartridge. So if you are a DE person, or if you just want to have a nice feeling of just a nice, sharp shave, quality shave in a cartridge, Harry's. Takes a little bit of technique, so it's not as forgiving as let's say your Gillette or your Schick. So technique is something to keep in mind here. You can get nicked up And these blades are sharp, guys. Ah, I love Harry's. There's a lot of guys that I've noticed that do not like Harry's. They complain about, you know, cutting themselves up. And I think that's because they're used to Gillette. They're used to Schick. Those cartridges are almost worry-free. You can get into some problems if you don't use good technique with Harry's. Oh, that's so nice, guys. So nice. All right, I'm gonna go with a little bit more near hot water. Put a little bit more of this cooling gel. Let's take a look at that. Look at that. So just a little bit more of this, and I'm gonna do another pass. I'm not gonna do 3 passes. I'll do 2 passes. I'm gonna do a cross grain pass, and this is gonna be really my fine tuning, my what I like to call a get right pass. Usually it's my 3rd pass is my get right, but viewers have been saying to me, why are you going for multiple passes with a 5-blade razor? And they're right. You really don't need 3 passes with a multi-blade. You're gonna cause more problems for yourself. So this is just a cross grain pass that's gonna get me right. Get me nice and smooth, baby's bottom smooth, guys. And I'm using light pressure. Light pressure. You don't want to dig here. You're not digging, guys. You're shaving. Use the weight of the device and just a little bit of pressure. Hear that feedback? And I love that organic pivot, sort of like a rubber band across the contours of your face and your neck. It just adapts with you. Oh yeah, nice. Nooks and crannies. You could use the precision trimmer there. I don't really like to use the precision trimmers on most razors. Oh, that's nice. Glass smooth baby's bottom. All right. This cooling gel, Eucalyptus and Tea Tree. Oh, it tingles. Very, very nice, guys. Now what I'll do is I'm going to rinse off with cold water, and then we'll apply the aftershave lotion. Oh, nice, guys. This is just a nice shave. And my skin is still tingling. Still tingling. Edge cooling. Eucalyptus and tea tree shaving gel. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now let's go with the cooling eucalyptus and tea tree shaving lotion. And I like this. It has a little tab there to protect you. I like that, especially with a mainstream product. Let's take a little bit of that. Warm that into my hand. Oh, so nice, guys. And let's finish it up. Oh, yeah. And again, a lighter fragrance on the aftershave lotion, but a nice, cool tingle. So it's soothing, feels restorative, feels like it's any little nick or abrasion you may have picked up while you're shaving. Not many with the Harry's, but it feels like it's just, oh yeah, just healing that. Guys, great shave today. The Harry's craft handle razor with the little nubs here. Beautiful metallic handle with these little rubber nubs. Average guy tested, average guy approved. We've got the Edge Gel Cooling Tea Tree and Eucalyptus Shave Cream and Aftershave Lotion. Average guy tested, average guy approved. Guys, thanks for watching. You guys are the best. You're also average guy approved. Let me know what you think about this video and more. What's your travel kit? What's your razor? What's your go-to on the road? And that's it for now. I'll be back with the next video, whenever that is. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now roll the music.